the majority of people earn money through regular jobs that pay hourly wages or regular paychecks. Distinct countries have different laws, yet they all have the same basic structure. The wealthy find a means to avoid paying them. Even though ordinary individuals are taxed, data shows that the vast majority of millionaires and billionaires either do not pay any taxes or pay very little. Even though regulations are in place to make high earners pay more taxes in proportion to their income, the exceedingly wealthy are always exempt. How? We'll see. Welcome back to the Core Finance channel. In today's video, we'll talk about 3 ways how millionaires avoid paying taxes. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos like this. If you're ready, let's get started. Way number 1, holding wealth in stocks and real estate. When Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos become the richest man alive, you might not realize the title doesn't always mean what you expect. A big controversy when each of their titles was announced was that the two managed to avoid paying taxes on much of their wealth. They didn't have to pay taxes because the wealth they had wasn't actual money in their pockets, it was based on their ownership of stock. Stock is considered an unrealized gain. It is wealth that you have accumulated but not cashed in on yet. They became the richest men alive by not gaining more in physical money per se, but because their stock went up in value. Stocks are part of the net worth used to calculate wealth because a stock is considered a cash equivalent. If Musk or Bezos were to sell a stock, then they would have to pay taxes on those now realized gains. So you can get rich or build a bigger net worth by doing this. Way number 2, charity and donations. Many wealthy people believe in giving back to the community and donating large sums of money, but not all of them have the greatest interests at heart. Most of them do it just to avoid paying taxes. Conservation easements are one way the healthy have exploited the tax. Most of the tax paid by rich people might be recovered when they give to charity. When they choose to give away their earnings to charities, they can practically avoid paying any tax at all. And finally, a way that will seem strange to you, especially when it comes to the rich. But believe us, thanks to that, they manage to avoid paying taxes. Let's see what it's about. Way number 3, living on borrowed money. Mega billionaires are spending more than they're earning. This is not surprising considering the amount that some people will go through just to be able to afford their lifestyle. But it does make one wonder how these individuals can live a lavish lifestyle when many only receive a $1 salary per year. The answer may have something to do with borrowing money, a lot of it. People who are not familiar with the ultra-wealthy's money strategies may think that borrowing money is only for those struggling financially. However, it can also be an easy way to access billions without producing income and thus avoiding paying taxes. The tax math provides a clear incentive. If a company owner takes a large salary, the tax might be 37%. If they sell a stock, they'll pay 20%. If they take a loan, there is no tax, and the interest rates these days are single digits. And best of all, the IRS doesn't consider the income. Banks generally require collateral, but the rich typically own a lot of that. Borrowing has multiple benefits. The borrower receives cash to turbocharged investment returns and gets to deduct the interest from their taxes. Getting rich sounds like a dream, but it can be somewhat of a double-edged sword. The more you make, the more you have to pay taxes. If you have the means, however, there are some ways to get around paying them. So in case you get rich, or already are, here's a summary at the end of the video on how to avoid paying taxes. The rich have found several ways not to pay their taxes properly and save millions and billions of dollars. Many live off loans, and many invest in stocks and other assets that cannot be taxed until sold. Charities and donations are also being used by rich folks to get tax relief. Rich people also hire tax lawyers to assist them in identifying loopholes to avoid paying taxes and save their clients money. Billionaires use their influence and connections to tweak the laws and promote laws that benefit them. American President Biden has made several proposals, including the elimination of a stepped-up basis and an increase in the tax rate from 20 to 39.6%, which would apply to people earning more than $1 million per year. Well, this isn't so bad, is it? What do you say? Did you know of any of these ways to avoid taxes? Well, now you know. However, we'd like to hear your comments. There's a comment section below, so feel free to write it. Drop a like for the video if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Also, press the notification button so you never miss the next video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new and useful. We'll see you again soon. Have a great day.